Good morning. I'm Dr. Animesh Ray from New Delhi, India. I work as an assistant professor in the Department of Medicine at All India Institute of Medical Sciences. So I have been invited to Lung Health 2020 as a rising star, where I got the opportunity of presenting my study in this forum. Regarding this conference, I came to know about this conference from internet. I was looking for an opportunity to present the results of my study, which I thought would be important to a vast majority of people like me. So I came to know about this study from the internet, and I was lucky that I got chosen to be a rising star. I've been attending this conference for the last 2 days. All I can say is this is very top quality conference, and we get to rub shoulders with some of the best in business. So all the top doyens of different fields of pulmonology, they are here, and they are delivering lecture. And the most important part of it is that you get to ask questions, you get to solve your queries. So I think that's a very important part. And I would personally, I personally look forward to attend more of such conferences in the near future if I get an opportunity. Thank you so much.